Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to add admin commands in Roblox. Firstly, go to the search panel of Windows and type Roblox Studio, then click on open. After the studio has opened, go to my games and select the game you want to add admin commands. Now give some time for the game to load properly. After the game has loaded, in the toolbar search for HD admin. Now click on HD admin and drag it onto your game. You can place it anywhere you want. Now click OK. I'll place the block in the shack in front of the fortress. After the block has been placed, you can click on play to test it out. Now it will take some time for your game to load, and after it has loaded properly, the HD admins pop-up will open. Here you will find all the commands that is available to you as an admin. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.